I am Virat Chandra Telkunta, 7 years old, studying in class 2C. My hobbies are skating, reading books, coloring pictures, playing cricket, tennis and playing guitar. My interest in mountaineering has started because of my cousins Karthik and Vaishu. They have been to Rudugaira mountains. When they spoke with us on a video call and shared their experiences, that moment I also wanted to climb like them. I had a discussion with my parents about my interest. They have approached Bharat sir from Boots and Crampons, who for the physical evaluation. He asked us for a rigorous training for a month to understand my potential. I got opportunity to participate in a 5K run to prove my mettle. After successful completion, sir increased difficulty levels in training. I used to run almost 6 kilometers every day. Used to do sit-ups, Surya Namaskara, Anulom Vilom, meditation, Kapal Bhati from Astama. This training was headed by Bharat sir and closely coordinated by Sai Teja sir. It was very nice. I loved it. On Feb 28, we started on Feb 28, 2021 from Hyderabad to Mumbai to Dar es Salaam to Kilimanjaro. When we reached Kili, we spent a night at Moshi. The next day on March 2nd, we took Marangu route to climb Mount Kilimanjaro. We completed the entry formalities and proceeded for the trek. Day 1. It took almost 6 hours to reach Mandara Hut. It was at an elevation of 2,720 meters. We walked almost 26,000 steps. We spent a night at Mandara Hut. The next day, we went to Horombo Hut. It was at an elevation of 3,720 meters. We walked almost 38,400 steps. We spent 2 nights at Horombo Hut. The next day, we bid adieu to my parents and sir who came until Horombo Hut. We left for Kibo at 9 a.m. It took almost 5 hours to reach there. It was at an elevation of 4,720 meters. When we reached Kibo, we had early dinner and slept early to wake up at 1 a.m. Since it was snowing heavily and windy, we had to wait till 3 a.m. Finally, we started at 3:40 a.m. to Uhuru Peak. We went to climb Uhuru Peak, which is the highest point of African continent. I was sleepy in the beginning. By the time sun came, and I was normal again. With the tremendous support from our guides, we were able to reach the summit.
I'm from Boots and Crampons. So our company is the one who took Virat to Mount Kilimanjaro, and I'm the one who led this expedition from beginning till end. So coming to Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest peak of Africa, African continent, which is at like 5,895 meters. It was every mountain is dream of climbing Mount Kilimanjaro. So it has got due to many various there are 4 types of different climates when we are on the way. So that's make that mountain very special. Yeah. So this is mainly of Kilimanjaro. So one day I've been to this expedition. It was the 4th time. Okay. So even the same one day I got a call from their parents Virat's cousins were my students. They were on my expedition, on our expedition in Uttarakhand. We were on Rudugaira mountain. Okay. So we did expedition. After that, like I heard that like they made a video call to Virat. Even Virat saw the mountains surrounded by, and he was interested. So and one day, like after we came back, their parents called me. So like they were told me like even my son was interested. So I asked him like, what's the age? They said 7 years. Then I thought like it if I take this challenge, it would be going to a it's lifetime challenge of my career. So then I asked them like it's not on phone call. I just want to come and meet you. So I think after 2 days, the very next day I came and I met them. It's like, and the first day I met Virat. Like, so I saw him like first day wearing school uniform. He was attending the online class like wearing spectacles. Like I saw that like really speaking like so he's a little bit lean. I thought like it will be a difficult thing. That's what my first thought after seeing him. So I promised the parent. I actually told the parents like I can't give any word now, like on which mountain to take, like what, because like I had to train him, I had to see him, like what are his capabilities on ground. Okay, so actually for every kid, like generally we understand after 30 days of rigorous training. So actually we understood Virat after 10 days. So he was grasping very fast, like whatever we say, like he obey. Okay, that's what like it, see, we on the 10th day we understand. So behind this, like you can understand how he raised by his parents and grandparents. That is very important.
Sir, so regarding his training, since you said that the training for him already begun, and regarding his training, how difficult was it to train a 7-year-old than training a regular adult person? Or
In the expedition, we took every precaution, even the medication. At the same time, like for a peak like 6,000 meter, no one will carry oxygen cylinder. We carried oxygen cylinder because like kid, we are not taking any chances. Even we took helicopter rescue for him. Okay, so everything is perfect, 100%. Okay, whatever happens. Even when I was speaking to their parents, I told them like we are doing this expedition. Okay, we give only 5% chances of submitting successfully. 95%, no, there is no guarantee, because like 100% we are on his like safe side. Whatever happens, whenever he feels difficulty, we are back. That's it. We're not going to take any risk. It's 100%. Even on the summit day, like I'll show you a video. Like at the last his summit was there. Like we are about like 20 minutes. He was completely like sleepy. Like he was like going into sleep. It was like it indicates that oxygen levels are very low. Okay, he was getting sleepy. So then we thought like it's almost like just 20 minutes away. So what we did is like me, other two guides, like we kept all our luggage aside, like we just hand by hand, like we took him, okay, to the summit. We were worried. At that stage I was a little bit worried, like but 20 minutes, but we can manage. We were singing songs like African songs, and my guides are, they'll sing very good songs. So we just motivated him, like we made him like a little bit active, so we just crossed.
sir, so since he has achieved what a 7-year-old
Right. Even I feel like it's not like I trained him, I did this, I did that. It's not like it's not that actually. No, I thank Virat. Virat. Like he made me proud. Okay, he climbed it. Like I'm thankful to him. It's not like everyone are telling thanks to me. It's not the perfect one, because I climbed many times. I did like it was like, but he made me proud. Like
Hi, I am Sai Teja Malasala. I am from Boots and Crampons, personal trainer of Virat.
Okay. Sir, so Virat has recently achieved an expedition.
First, I got call from Bharat sir, so that you have to give a personal trainer for a kid 7 years. So that first I thought seventh standard kid. So that after some time I recognized, he was a 7 years boy. So that I have a small that. So 7 years guy can make it, or we have a small. So that I spoke with Bharat sir, 7 years guy, how he was. So he's very good. Once we met, you will also know that. So I came the first day to give him coaching. So I met Virat. He said, hi sir, hello, and we played first day. After 1 week, I saw the Virat has a lot of qualities and multi-talented. If you say one thing, he can directly learn so fast, very quick learner. So off of the way, the parents made me easy, very easy. So if I said something, he will do definitely. First, some days we started some 5 rounds, 6 rounds in the grounding, and we slowly increased it to day by day, 1 round to 1 round. So he said, okay sir, I can do, if I said 5 rounds today, okay sir, I can 5 rounds, and also I can do the 6th round also. He spontaneously, he said okay. Slowly we started increasing the rounds the day by day, so that he made everything proper.
Sir, so during his training period, what best
Starting from the starting time, while running, he is unable to like some breathing, like he can increase his stamina levels. So I observed after completing of some days, he slowly started how to increase the breathing level, how to analyze his physical fitness. So on his own, he learned something from the ground training. So he's able to breathe and everything, fitness level, how he have to travel more in the things. Yes.
Hi, I'm Sharat Chandra Telukunta, father of Virat Chandra Telukunta. To start with, the day we started observing him playing around and started walking, we have explored and I should say discovered that he has lot of potential. When he's playing around, we generally never found him tired. He can walk along with adults for very long distances. In our previous trips, when we have been on a holiday to Europe, we were wondered by his interest. He had a sightseeing for about 10,000 steps in a day, and he was hardly 4.5 years. So looking at that, he never even asked once to take him up and carry him along. He was always excited. He used to walk with the guide, understand what all things to see, what all things he can enjoy looking around, walking around. So we always had this interest in us that we need to do something really big, dream something so big that that dream will not allow us to sleep.
Right.
So in that journey, we came across Bharat sir's name through my sister-in-law. So she was telling, when we inquired about, when we heard that Virat is very much interested about the mountaineering thing, so I spoke once with the sister-in-law, asking her who is the trainer and how did this all begin, and how did you gain confidence in this COVID time that you could venture and send 2 kids at a time there. So she explained about the credits of Bharat sir and what were his previous achievements. So based on that, we could form some trust on him, and we have invited him to our place. But Bharat sir clearly told us, the day he met us, he clearly told, I am not promising anything out of it right now. It is only like any other physical training that we will be conducting. So we told, before COVID time, we had many hobby classes that were going on for him. So during the COVID time, we had to cut down on all of them, and some were going on the video calls, but it was not satisfactory, up to the mark, up to the standard. So we thought, why not have a personal trainer and see how would this take us further. So after a month, Bharat sir was pretty much confident. So he was telling that these are his daily schedule that he is able to complete. He's running around so many times, he's doing so many physical activities, he's doing all these accomplishments. We are increasing the difficulty level, trying and understanding his comfort level. So then I came across this 5K run on the Durgam Cheru. So on a special request, Bharat sir would accommodate Virat run on the 5K run. We were worried. At the same time we were excited too. What if he could complete it comfortably? He is showing that he is ready for the next level. And as we thought, he happily completed that, and he did, to our surprise, he did not even complain that he traveled so much or he had to run for so long. He was pretty much happy, and he gave few advertorials also there. The organizers came there looking around the small kid participating and completing the 5K run. They took some small advertorials, and then after that, Bharat sir took a week's time. Then he told, sir, we have increased the difficulty levels, and he is good in this also. So he was almost running around 6-7 kilometers every day, And yet after that, after coming back home, we were closely monitoring him, trying to understand what is his daily schedule, how is it affecting after this strenuous. For us it was strenuous, but for him it wasn't at all. See, the moment Bharat sir told us that we are traveling to Mount Kilimanjaro the next month, uh, frankly speaking, I had few sleepless nights, because I was the one who initiated this entire program. So based on my interest, my wife, my parents supported me. So now that burden was on me. So I had a couple of sleepless nights. Then I had a very stressful day. So I had to come back from the office, and again I spoke with my family, wife, to get myself convinced that I have taken a right decision. Because we are not just blindly pushing him somewhere, we are not just trying his capabilities, we tried sufficient time to understand what he can achieve, and through a proper channel,
Right.
so where there is no zero risk. Because Bharat sir really assured us that attaining the summit is not our target. Traveling towards it in a successful way, in a very safe environment, and Virat shouldn't feel any stress about the journey. That was his criteria and our criteria too. So as parents, we were very satisfied that he was going traveling under the guidance of Bharat sir. During his training process, I did not understand much. I did not see much changes in his mentality or behavior pattern. But once our journey started, when we started to climb on day one, I believe, he started eating by himself. He started maintaining clarity about what he wants and what does he don't want to have, what he wants to carry and what he shouldn't carry. And on day two, he was pretty much clear that in a day he has to part with us and he needs to travel there. So I think generally a teenager would do this, but at this age he could do that. He made me and my wife sit and he spoke with us. He spoke his heart out. He said what was he worried about. Then we could give him a clarity, because he was a little worried that we were traveling only halfway. We were not coming for the second half. Then we told him, see, we promised you that we will come until this journey only, because we were not trained for this. Whereas you and your sir are very well equipped about this, and you have idea about the difficulty levels. In your training sessions, you have been climbing mountains in the Hyderabad, so you have an experience and idea how to do that, how to go further. Then he got clarity, but again he was a little bit worried, saying that if I go there, you guys will not be worried about me. We said, see, we are sending you for a day outing or a day and a half outing, that's it. So you consider you're going with your sir and maybe 3 or 4 friends who are your guides and the support staff. So you guys 5 people are going, and he is very much into mythology. So we told, it's like you 5 Pandavas are going there, go enjoy and come back. So we'll be here happy, you be there happy. So that's how we could hear him out. So that night we could sleep very well, because he spoke his heart out.
Telukunta Madhvi Sharat Chandra. Our journey started when Virat's cousins just called us and made a video call and informed that they are enjoying a lot. And he was like, even I wanted to go with them. I want to try something like this. I was not okay, because it must be like any other tantrum or something. But then it continued for a week or so. Then we were like, why not we call Bharat sir and let him decide. So first it was starting, he was enjoying, he was all good, even I was good. But as the training increased, I was badly worried, because he's too young. How would he react and all? But as soon as he comes home, he used to like any other kid who rushes around here and there. So he was all good. He used to do cycling also. Till then it was okay, but by the time we have decided for the mountain and all, my worries increased because of the food, weather and everything. And I'm not so nature person, so I was telling him I won't accompany you. So he used to tell me, no, I'll manage, you stay in the hotel, I'll go there. But later, as soon as we reached there, he was like, how can you leave such a small child and go? So even we could make it, and we reached till base camp. And from there, he went with sir for 1.5 day or more than 1.5 day. At that time, I was so badly worried. I was crying like anything. It was so bad weather. Being an adult, it was tough for me. So I was thinking in that way, and I was crying a lot. But as soon as that time period completed, he came running, he just hugged me, and I cried like anything. He was telling me I didn't do it. I was like, okay, no problem, no problem. I was just crying. Frank, it was a very tough situation for me to say yes. But to consider his thoughts and all, he was so clear about everything. And we were pretty confident about Bharat sir. After traveling for 75 days, we were confident about they both. So it was like crying inside but happy outside.